So in this video I will explain you how to find the minimum missing number from the given array. So basically I am using Java language. I have created one class find minimum missing number, and then in this class we have one main method. So inside this main method we have integer array 115 8 12 21. So this is our array and we want to find the minimum missing number from the array. So what it means by a minimum missing number. So here we have minimum value as 1 and maximum as 21, right? So here so minimum missing means so the value just after the minimum number, that is 2. Here the minimum missing number is 2 and maximum missing number is 20. So for example, if we have value as 3, suppose 4, so what is the minimum missing number now? So minimum missing number will be 5. So right. So yeah, so that's how we want to find the minimum missing number. So let's keep it as a 1. So for that I am writing the code. So for that we have we are using in hash set concept. We have declared hash set hash is equal to new hash set. So what is the use of it? Basically it whenever we add the elements, it sorts the given array in the ascending order. And then also we want important methods from the hash set. Then we are using integer mean variable is equal to array of 0, integer max is equal to array of 0. So basically we want the minimum and maximum value from the given array. So for that we have created this for loop. So inside this for loop what we are doing is we are declared integer I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus. So we are firstly adding the elements from this array to this hash set. Okay, so hash dot add array of I. So one by one for each iteration we will add the elements from this array to this hash, and then in the next if condition we can see that so we have used array of I less than or equal to mean, which means mean is equal to array of I. So to find the minimum number from the array we are using this condition, and to find the maximum number inside the array we are using this if condition. If array of I is greater than equal to max, then max is equal to array of I. So by using this for loop basically we are adding the our array elements into the hash set, and then we are finding the minimum and maximum number from the given array. So after finding these numbers minimum and maximum, we have second for loop which is important. So in this for loop what we are doing is we are declaring integer I is equal to mean. So mean is the minimum number from the array, I less than equal to max, so which is the maximum number I plus plus. So we want to move from the minimum number to the maximum number. And in this if condition we have hash dot contains I. uh, so if hash dot contains I is if the element is present, so I value is present inside this hash code, which means inside this array, then it will return as a true, and this not will make it as a false. Then this condition will not be satisfied, right? So we have to find the missing number, which means this condition should be false, which means this condition should be false, then it will make it as a true. So let's see one by one. So minimum value we have is 1. So for the first iteration we have I is equal to 1. So hash dot contains 1. So 1 is present inside this hash set, which means in array also, right? So we have just added array into hash, that's why we are just referring as a array. So hash dot contains 1. So yes, 1 is present inside the hash, which means it will return as a true, and this not will make it as a false. Then this condition will not, this will not be printed. Then for the second iteration I value will be 2. Now hash dot contains 2. So here we don't have 2, right? So this will return as a false, and this not will make it as a true. Then this printing statement will be execute minimum missing number. What is the value of I is now? It's 2, right? Then it will be printed, and then we are using break because we want just one value minimum missing number. So after that we don't want anything, so after that it will break this for loop, and nothing will be printed after that. So we want just to be a single value, right? So that's why we are using this. So this is how we can find the minimum missing number inside the given array using hash set concept and one of the important method from the hash set. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.